Changing table includes one fixed shelf and an open storage bin at the bottom. Strong and sturdy wood construction. Tested for lead and other toxic elements to meet or exceed government and ASTM standards. Assembly required. JPMA certified to meet or exceed all safety standards set by the CPSC and ASTM. Assembled dimensions: 34.25 width by 18.75 depth by 35 height. Top reviews from the United States. Great changing table. Initially, I decided not to get a changing table since my baby sleeps in our master. Then, after being tired of leaning forward to change her, I caved in and bought the table. I loved the look with the baskets and all the raving reviews. The table appeared to be rather bulky, but it did fit in a corner of my master. It is very sturdy and has a great storage capacity. I loaded it with a bunch of blankets, diapers, clothes, toys, etc. I had to purchase a separate changing pad. The one it comes with is just okay. Baskets, got them at Ikea, to get the same look. The assembly was easy. It did have a fresh paint smell that dissipated in about 2 weeks. Overall, no regrets.